हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप लोग। आज हम इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं मोहित रैना के बारे में। आज हम इस वीडियो में जानेंगे उनके बारे में कुछ बातें। इस वीडियो को पूरा ज़रूर देखना। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं इस वीडियो को। लेकिन अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ कर दीजिए। आप सबकी सपोर्ट भी मुझे बहुत ज़रूरी होती है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं इस वीडियो को। Mohit Raina is an Indian actor who has appeared in Hindi films and television. He started his career with a science fiction show, Antariksh, and later went to play a role in Don Muthuswamy. He is best known for the lead role of Hindu god Shiva in television serial Devo Ke Dev Mahadev and Mahabharat, to which he lead acted in television soap opera including Chehra in 2009, Ganga Ki Deej in 2010. Early life and background. Mohit Raina was born on into a Kashmir, and Mohit Raina is Kashmiri Brahmin family on 14 August 1982. Raina and Sushma Kumara and raised in Jammu. He was educated at Kendriya Vidyalaya School, Jammu, and earned a Bachelor of Commerce degree from University of Jammu. He moved to Mumbai to begin a career in modeling. He hoped that modeling would provide him with routine into acting work and lost 29 kg from his teenage weight of 107 kilos so that he could participated in 2005 Gracing Mr. India model contest. He was placed among the top 5 contestants in that competition. Mohit's acting career began in 2004 with a science fiction TV show called Antariksh. In 2008, he started as Jai Krishna in comedy film Don Muthuswamy, which was not a success at the box office and caused him return to television work. In 2009, he appeared in Chehra TV serial, a drama revolving around a disabled girl. Mohit played her husband Golf, a young businessman. In 2011, he was cast as the main lead in Nikhil Sinha, देवों के देव महादेव में मोहित शर्मा को एज अ मेन लीड लिया गया. The serial focused on God Shiva and his journey. His marriage to Sati and later to Parvati. Mohit worked on improving his acting skills and started learning the Indian classical dance from Kathak, which is integral part of his role as Shiva. The Times of India said that role created fans due to his fab abs. He played over 30 different characters in the serial, which ran for 3 years, ending in December 2014. By time Mohit has became a celebrity. Mohit has played the adult Empire Ashoka in the historical serial Chakravarti Ashoka Samrat on Colors TV. The serial started broadcasting from 2nd May 2016. After Ashoka, Mohit also played the lead role as Ishar Singh in 21 Sarfarosh in 1987, which was based on the Battle of Sagrahi. Mohit played the role of Major Karan Kashyap in the Bollywood movie Uri, The Surgical Strike, released on 11 January 2019. He made his web debut with Z5 web series Kafir, starring opposite Dia Mirza. Mohit Raina is played the character of Dr. Kaushik Oberoi, the serial Mumbai Diaries 2011-26. The show is created by Nikhil Advani and produced by Emmy Entertainments. Personal life. On 1 January 2022, Raina reveals that he had married his longtime girlfriend Aditi Sharma. Awards and nomination. Indian Telly Awards, Indian Television Academy Awards, Gold Awards, Indian Telly Awards, Star Gold Award, Indian Television Academy Award, Indian Telly Awards. बात करें अगर मोहित रैना के बारे में तो इनका जन्म हुआ था 14 अगस्त 1982 को, और अगर आज के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो इनकी उम्र है 40 ईयर। बात करें अगर मोहित रैना ने कहाँ जन्म लिया था तो इन्होंने जम्मू में जन्म लिया था। बात करें अगर इनके वाइफ के बारे में तो इनकी वाइफ का नाम है अदिति शर्मा, जिनके साथ मोहित रैना ने 2022 में शादी की थी। बात करें अगर इनके माता पिता के बारे में तो इनके माता पिता का नाम है सुषमा कुमरा और PL रैना। बात करें अगर इन्होंने कौन से सीरियल्स में काम किया है और कौन सी मूवीज़ में काम किया है तो चलिए डालते हैं एक नज़र। देवों के देव महादेव, शिद्दत, चक्रवर्ती अशोका सम्राट, उरी, काफिर, मिसेस सीरियल किलर, 21 सरफरोश, महाभारत, चेहरा, गंगा की धीज, केसरी, अ वायरल वेडिंग, गुड न्यूज़, बंदिनी, भाभी। आपको मोहित रैना की एक्टिंग कैसी लगती है मुझे कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा, और आपको उनकी एक्टिंग कैसी लगी देवों के देव महादेव में मुझे ये भी कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा। सो इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इस वीडियो को जितना हो सके उतना शेयर कीजिए। आप सबके सपोर्ट की मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, सब प्लीज़ जितना हो सके उतना मुझे सपोर्ट कीजिए।